Hey guys, today is October the 29th of 2013 and I want to go over the euro and just give you my thoughts and my opinions and know this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. I got a couple of dates I want to share with you guys besides the one I have here. I have a cluster of dates, the 30th, the 31st, and November the 1st. They're showing on different techniques that I use, and this is going to be an interesting week. I don't know if the euro is going to turn. I mean, it's already kind of turning right now. I know there's a Bank of Japan is making an announcement. I believe today, and then tomorrow is FOMC meeting, and there's going to be a lot of action on the market. So I just want to show you. We do have a Gann date, Gann emblem date from the September 6th pivot low, which is the 31st. So it's kind of interesting. I always give myself a 3-day window on either side, and things are already starting to shift. But the 30th, 31st, and the 1st, it's either the euro is going to pop with an explosion or the euro is going to turn and do a cycle to the downside. With that being said, let's get into the charts. This is my monthly candle grid, and you can see right now that euro has been having struggles right here. It pierced it, but it's having issues at this angle right here. I don't know why this thing doesn't hold. It's weird. There you go. So that's that. That's one thing you got to be being aware of, that angle. It's holding it back. Next thing I want to show you, I'm going to go through this really quick. I think it's this one right here. If we scroll this down and zoom in, this is the move right now. This is a 61.8 Fibonacci level. That's that 37.69. If you were going to have some strength and hold it, it needs to hold at 61.8. I mean, it could probably dip under it, but it should stay above it. If not, it's probably going to hit this snow line, which is at 36.83. And you got the 50 all the way down here, 34.07. But this is the 61.8 Fibonacci level, 37.69. Next chart I want to show you, it's the 20-year. Where is that right here? These are, I know you guys remember this chart. I just wanted to show you that if you take this anchor from right here, from this swing here, and these are monthly candles, mind you, and you pivot it right over here, look at the resistance you have right there. Just showing you things I see. Just wanted to show you things that I see. Next thing I wanted to show you, Fib Time, my 3-year. This is a big thing I have here of a grid, and instead of pivoting my fans from the top, I pivoted on the 50% right here, and I have this green long trend line, which is the 45. And if we zoom in right here, real close, before I do that, you can see that it works because it found a pivot high there at the 38.2, and it's been, failing it here, pierced it through, failed it there, and now we're coming to it again right here, which it could be support if it holds right here. This is where it's at right there. As you can see, that it bounced actually. It found a nice little bounce. That was 37. What's the lowest on this candle? 37.53. So it found support right there. You should keep in the back of your mind, if 37.53 is taken out, and it goes. Let's see. This is daily, so it takes it out, and maybe tomorrow it tries to hit it from below and fails it. And then with all the action is going to happen tomorrow, this thing could go down, or this thing could shoot up. So to show you the scenarios, possible scenarios. Next chart I want to show you, that was a 3-year, my 724 cycle. Let's see. I know it's kind of crazy and messy, but I really understand and get it. This is where we at right here. This is a high on the 25th of that 38.31. So you have a cycle here, the 22nd. It looks like it picked this one up to do the pop. And this is the 25th right here. And you got some big ones coming in. And I know they pivot from other ones here. You just can't see it. It's just big a mess. Like you can see this big one. It's going somewhere else, but it pivots from right here. And then there was really nothing there. So I just want to show you that, that's right there on this, kind of close on this date. So is this thing gonna like turn? It'll be good for me because if it's trending, I could get in. So I'm right now on the sidelines. Seasonality. What the euro does seasonality on an average base, and you can see that it's been turning. Actually, it's been turning from 919, and it looks like it'll get a pop on the 24th and fail on the 28th on an average seasonality. Go down all the way to the 31st, pop on the to the 4th, and then continue going down all the way to 1128. In the euro, it looks like it wants to follow this trend right here. So this is just an average. The euro could just do the opposite and go like this. So just take it with a grain of salt. This is just speculating and seeing what's the possibilities of what the euro could do. And my last and least is tick range. What's going on right now as we speak? We had a sell signal right here on the 28th, PPS sell signal. And normally when you see the sell signal, you don't do it, you don't jump on it, you wait for a retracement. And if you want, this would have been a perfect entry right here. But I'm waiting for dates to confirm it. So that would have been a good entry to go short. And it played out well because each candle, it's 1,000 ticks. So it just gives you a better picture of what's going on. So this is right now. This is the 50% level right there. You need to keep an eye on. It found a bounce on that angle I showed you earlier. But you still got support right here, that 37.48. And then this is just one day. This is today's action. It's just pushing lower. It might probably retrace. And this probably might be what happened here. Anyway. And then this is right here, another sell signal. This is another support you could have right here. 36.96 around here, 95.96. This is the 12.5%, and this is the 25%, 37.09, which is nice. This is probably what I'm waiting for to get in, because it's a pivot high up there at 37.10, and I'm sure bulls are going to show up. So I'm patiently waiting. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's look at the big picture and wrap it up. And see what today brings. As you can see, this is my monthly, weekly, daily 12-hour. You see the 12-hour is starting to get weak. We already broke the mobile band right here. We still above the 20, so still good. And you're gonna probably head to the 25%, and you got the 50. That could probably be a target. Team is telling you now to stay short. Mobile's negative now. So you can see that it's trending lower. And this could set up for a snapback. So this could be a bear trap. Because this thing could just go right up here and squeeze everybody. And then maybe turn or maybe just continue going higher. So that's a give or take. That's like 50-50. You got all the sell signals piled up on Fisher. You cracked the 50 on MMG. But you're setting higher highs on the 12-hour. So I don't know. Could be a head fake. And this is turning negative, and this is starting to turn negative slowly. So it's starting to build up red. Once this is all red, then it's a little more interesting. You cracked mobile right here, so you're in the chop mode. You're gonna have support right here. You got the full moon coming up, which is the 1st or the 4th, somewhere around there. I normally try to put it where I could get the energy coming in from the market, so I think it's probably going to start affecting Friday, the 1st, if I think that's, yep, Friday of November, actually. Uh, this is still positive. This is setting up for a snapback right here. The spread is pretty strong, so this could pop and surprise everybody. You got a purple sell fissure right here, so it's building up to the cycle to like start turning. Let's see, it hasn't failed the 50 yet. And interesting, I want to show you that there is divergence. I was trying to get this right here. Right there. While price is going up, divergence, you got a lower hump here. Same thing here. There you go. Now it now it got me. Same thing right there. Still positive here. So I think that's it. Nothing's changed on the weekly nor on the daily. So hope this helps. Good trading. Keep in the back of your mind those dates. To today and tomorrow is going to be fireworks. So let's see what the euro is going to do. Good trading, and I'll see you again. Peace.